So what does it take to build cold air at factory scale?
Steel begins as mined ore, then gets reborn in heat.
In steel mills, raw ore becomes coils strong enough to protect a refrigeration system. Those coils will become housings, panels that survive weather, vibration, time. Copper is the bloodstream, carrying refrigerant through coils. Refined copper becomes tubing, made to bend, brazed to seal. Aluminum becomes fins, thin surfaces that trade heat fast. Plastic pellets turn into vents, fan blades, and covers, quiet, light, precise. Sensors and control boards make cooling smart and efficient. Compressors and motors are built and tested before they ever reach the main line. Materials converge here: steel, copper, aluminum, electronics, ready for assembly. Step 1 is controlled chaos. Every part checked before it becomes a system. Steel coils feed automated lines, turning raw stock into exact panels. Every opening, screw point, and bend line is decided here. Bending turns flat steel into frames that survive transport and vibration. Before paint, surfaces are stripped of oils, so coatings bond for years. Powder coating fights corrosion, especially outdoors where AC units live hard. Copper lines are shaped with zero kinks because refrigerant flow can't stutter. Fins multiply surface area, the difference between weak cooling and fast cooling. Before assembly, coils must prove they can hold pressure. Silence means success. Covers, vents, drain trays, molded for tight fit and quiet airflow. Control boards are assembled by robots because fractions of a millimeter matter. Sensors tell the system what the room feels like and how hard to work. Solder locks the circuit, turning loose parts into a reliable controller. Before final assembly, the heart is tested: noise, vibration, performance. Now the unit becomes a machine, compressor mounted into the frame. Coils exchange heat. Fans move air. Wiring ties it all together. Brazing starts with perfect contact. Dirty copper means a future leak. High heat bonds copper into a sealed loop, one continuous path for refrigerant. Moisture is the enemy. Vacuum pulls the system clean before charging. Refrigerant is added under strict pressure, measured, controlled, repeatable. Efficiency and silence come from what you never see: insulation and damping. System is only real when indoor and outdoor units speak the same language. Quality control starts with performance, airflow, and cooling response. And safety, electrical checks that protect homes and buildings. A single leak can kill efficiency. This is where hidden flaws get caught. Units that don't meet spec are removed, fixed, retested, or rebuilt. Before packing, every surface is cleaned. because presentation is part of quality. Packaging is engineered to shock, vibration, and long-distance shipping. The last pieces are small, but installation depends on them. Now they move as fleets, palletized for warehouses and ports. From this dock, units head to retailers, construction sites, and homes. A modern AC is built locally, but supported by a worldwide supply chain.
Before it cools a room, it waits, packed, protected, ready.
In extreme climates, installation day feels like relief arriving. A perfect install protects efficiency. Airflow and drainage depend on it. Same principles return here: sealed copper, protected lines, controlled flow. After all that steel and copper, this is the payoff. Air conditioning doesn't erase summer, it negotiates with it. Efficiency is measured. Comfort is felt. Silence is designed. Cooling indoors means moving heat outdoors through coils, fins, and airflow. From mines to microchips, everything converges into one sealed loop. That's how modern air conditioners are made: raw, industrial, and built to feel like nothing at all.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process, from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation, with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input, and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.